I'm going to do a little before and after video. This is a 2007 Dodge Ram with a Hemi. It has the stock exhaust, and I'm going to replace it with a Magnaflow exhaust. It's part number 16699, and it's a catback system. And this is the before with the stock exhaust. As you can tell, it's pretty quiet with the stock exhaust, and I got to change the EGR valve on it too, so this will probably take me a couple hours, and then when I'm done I'll do another video. This is the kit. This is the 3-inch exhaust. It was packed in there a little nicer than that. I took it out to see how it would line up. It's pretty straightforward. I've got this kit from crazyboyauto.com, and I would definitely recommend them. Definitely the best price I saw. Alright, so yesterday I did the exhaust. I didn't have time to make the after video. It took a long time to get the original exhaust off, especially right where the mid muffler is, because it has a crimp in the pipe. But once I got that off, I put the new exhaust on. It took about 30 minutes total, and that was a breeze, and it sounds good, so I'm going to start it up for you. It's really quiet when you're driving it on the inside, and doesn't really grumble unless you want it to grumble, basically. I definitely like this exhaust. It was well worth the money I paid for it.